Hi guys, good morning. Today we are going to see how to prepare momos, the veg momos, which is one of the most liked dish by most of you. It has an origination from Tibet and it's found predominantly in the parts of China and in the northeastern province. So today we'll see how to prepare these momos. So to prepare the momos, the first thing is that you need to prepare the dough. So let's start with the preparation of the dough. So the first thing is that you need to take a bowl of the dough. So I'm going to add a little bit of salt in it for taste, and then I'm going to mix it well. Mixing, you need to add a little bit of water to the dough so that you can mix it very easily and see that it is consistent. The dough gets mixed very easily. So now I'm going to add a little bit of cooking oil to that. Knead the dough well. You must mix the dough and knead it very well so that it comes out in a softy way, so that your momos will turn really lovely. So I am kneading this dough in a soft way, and so you can see the texture of the dough. It will come as in a softer way.
Now I'm going to cover this dough with a lid and leave it aside for a few minutes to rest so that it gets cured.
First, let us look at the ingredients that we need. We need finely chopped garlic, 5 or 6 cloves, and little of the garam masala or some chaat masala that you like, and finely chopped green chilies, 1 number, and 1 teaspoon of pepper, a little salt to taste, and a pinch of grated ginger. So these are the things that you need for the mixture. And for the veggies part, what we need is, we need finely chopped onions, 1 number, and a slice of cabbage and 2 carrots. So what we are going to do now is, we are going to chop this carrot and cabbage into fine pieces right now. So I'm going to grate this. So I'm going to finely chop this cabbage into fine pieces. Momos is a traditional dish of the peoples in northeastern states like Sikkim, Assam, and in the countries like Tibet. And you can also find this dish as dumplings. So once you're done, your finely chopped cabbage will look like this. So this is the finely chopped cabbage. So I heat the pan and place the pan and add a little oil to it. So I have added a little oil to the pan, so let the hand get heated up. So now I'm going to add green chilies to it. The finely chopped green chilies. I'm going to add finely chopped green chilies to it. And right now I'm going to add the finely chopped onions. So right now I'm going to add this garlic, the finely chopped garlic to it. Garlic is good for health, however, so now add a slice of grated ginger, so once the onion turns golden brown, now add the chaat masala or the garam masala to it. Slightly, don't add too much, add slight. So mix it. You get a nice texture of the aroma in the momos. So now add black pepper powder, a pinch of black pepper powder to it. So that's all. We are done with the pudding, and now what we're going to do is we're going to add our cabbage, the finely chopped cabbage, to this mixture. Right now we are going to prepare this pudding. Now we are going to add the carrot, the finely grated carrot, into this one. You can add soy sauce in it if you want to have a Chinese touch. And you can add also scrambled eggs in it if you want to have an vegetarian touch, and you can mix with chicken if you want to have a chicken touch. So this is a simple dish wherein you can add with egg, with chicken, with beef, with pork, with capsicum, and with peas, with green peas, and whatever you like. You can add with this stuffing, and you can mix it, and you can stuff it inside the dough, and you can steam it or you can pan fry it. So that's it, the momo is done. So let's see what's happening here. So that's it, our pudding and the stuffings are ready now. So we are going to prepare. So these are the stuffings that I made ready. So this will go inside the dough. And so our momos will be ready when we steam the dough. So our dough is ready. I am going to see how the dough is. So here is our dough. It's very soft. So what you do is you clear the surface with a cloth, and so for momos we need to make into the small balls. Yeah, that's it. So our momos dough is ready now. So we are going to cut it into small pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, so making the small balls. So great, making the small balls, and our dough is ready. So you can make it in small balls. So now we are going to press it. Add a little flour so that it doesn't stick to the surface. So we are going to press it like as we prepare chapati. See that you get in a round shape like this, so that your momos can be stuffed up inside this one. So this is how your momos dough will look like. So make a dough like this one, so you can put your pudding inside this one and then fold it. So right now this is how the dough looks, and here I have prepared my 5 doughs in the form of a thin sheet. So as if you prepare chapati, we can add the stuffings inside this one and fold it and then steam it. So let's take a dough like this, and then take our stuffings here and put it in this one. Put a little quantity, which is sufficient to hold. And then what you do is you fold it like this. It's very easy. You just lift it and then fold it and then press it. Just lift it, fold it and press it. So when everything is done, you just seal the sides, and just it looks like your pretty and beautiful momo. So transfer this inside a plate like this one, so keep it aside. So once after pressing, you get your momos in a perfect shape like this one. You see that nothing comes out. So this is a perfect shape of your momos. My momos is ready. So after this, our shapes, the momos are ready now to get steamed inside the one. For steaming your momos, you can just use this idli pan steamers. So which you use for idli. I hope this will be available in most of your homes. So it's just an idli cooker, so you can use. And what you need to do is take the pan and fill it with water to steam it. So what we do is we heat the stove and then place it. So before we can eat, what we do is we add little oil to each one of this so that our momos won't get stick. So the water is getting heated, so we're going to place steamed momos inside this one, and so we are going to cover it with a lid. So this is done. So in few minutes our momos will be ready to serve. So everything is over now. We are going to open the steamer and see how our momos are cooked, or momos. So let's see how our momos are cooked now. I'm going to open it. So here are our beautiful and lovely momos. It's cooked well. So we're going to eat this momos. So our momos is very well cooked. So here are our beautiful momos ready to taste.
Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. If you like my videos, please do share it. Thank you.